Today I'm going to go over an example of EURUSD in my analysis and kind of show you the technical elements of a bit of a geo, some sort of a fib extension, some Elliott wave, and trend lines to make my analysis. Hi there and welcome to the Forex Collective. If this is your first time tuning in, I upload tutorials on Forex like this one, and I also have a Signal service, so if you're interested in that, check out my homepage for videos on that for latest performance. So it's Monday morning and I have been contemplating this EURUSD long trade over the weekend, and I thought I would take the time to do a little bit more of a detailed analysis, and I thought I'd just share with you guys. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so I have EURUSD pulled up. You can see, so the reason that I first started looking at a long, if I zoom in, zoom, we can see that this 6 hour engulfing bar formed. Did it do it on the 12? No, the 6 hour engulfing bar formed. It came down, made a new low, and then said, no, that's not happening. Let's close higher. So I saw that and thought, oh, maybe I should take a look and see what's happening. Maybe a reversal, or at least a deep retracement is going to happen. So the next thing I started to do was draw trend lines. Okay, so the two obvious trend lines you can pretty much make here is these two bottoms. So boop, boop here, and then the top, so boop, boop here. So if price gets to one of those areas, I would consider that a very strong reversal area. Okay, so this is a strong trend line. This is a strong trend line. Any trend lines within that I call minor trend lines, or just like weaker ones. So you can see I have this purple one here, here, and that's where, if I zoom in, that's where price stopped. But you can also draw it from here to here to here, or you could do here to here to here, and all of those are going to start showing different things, right? Oh. So I don't like that, so that's why I call them minor, or like, not very, important ones. Okay, so I thought, okay, now what? Let's maybe try something else. Let's look. It looks like quite an Elliott wave correction. You can see this clear A, B, C. C wave is also the extension of 1.4 of B, and that's a common area for wave C to stop. Okay. Now the next thing, one kind of top tip I'm going to share that I learned a little while ago from another trader is that if you're looking at weaker resistance, there's usually quite a bit of symmetry with it. So why did I choose this point? Okay, so I'm going to share that. So you draw a box starting with there, and then you look at where the obvious, stop is. So price started here and then reversed around here before doing a significant retracement. And then you just make a copy of that, and then you start putting it on these peaks to see which one has that same symmetry. So we can see the same symmetry is here. Price peaked here and bottomed here, and it had the same kind of reversal symmetry. So that is why I use both of those as the starting of the minor trend line. And then of course it's obvious which the other ones are. So this is shaping up to be have elements of a geo. I look at other elements too with that, so also make sure it looks like it might not be converging, so just make a copy and place it closer to the other one. You can see it's converging, so that's good. And we can see that this line here, this also symmetry, so tunneling, it's called tunneling. So this line usually acts as supporting resistance throughout. So you can see price touched it here and reversed, touched it here and reversed, came up, touched it there and reversed, and then if you extend it, came back here and touched it and reversed, and so on. So you can see that a lot of things are lining up. So we have this geo price is already done. It's, oh, what happened there? Price is already done. It's standard retracement that I like to enter on. Oh, I already drew it there. Okay, so you can see price came down, touched the 50 mark, and reversed. However, I'm just, I'm not sure about this geo and trend line. Even though there's a lot of things going for it, I still would prefer to take the long at this major trend line, right? Put the odds in my favor, because yeah, this could just be on a C wave. It could just be a 5-wave impulse down, and this could just be the start of a 4th wave, right? So we could see something like that. I'll put the line there so you can see it. So it could also be something like that, or even something like that. It wouldn't be very profitable for us to trade a 4th wave like that. So kind of waiting to, see what happens. If something really bullish happens again with candlesticks, I'll obviously enter. If not, then I'll just skip this trade or just wait, in the near future for a better trade setup. So there we are. There's my analysis with Euro USD. Unsure if going long or not. You'll have my Signal service subscribers will be privy to that information. So if you want alerts on that, please shoot me an email. So this was a really cool example. We showed some like Geo Wolf Wave things. We showed some Fibonacci extension. We showed some Elliott Wave with ABC corrections and impulse 5-wave impulses. Trend lines, major and minor with those. So yeah, there we have it. And I'll be doing more videos this week. So I'll see you next time.